What's going on? This is your boy B with the beard, and the truth lives here. On this episode, I want to talk to you guys about how to use the beard and facial mist. That's right. I don't know if this is showing you right, but how to use the beard and facial mist. You see that? You see that? Let me see. Now, before I get into how to use it, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, make sure you guys follow me on all of my social media platforms. The links are at the bottom in the description. All right, now we got that out the way. Let's get right into it. I did a video on how to refresh your beard. You can click the link up above right then and there. And what we've done was we just put it in. We put all these great benefits in one bottle for you. This is super convenient. It will help hydrate your beard. It will help save you time. It will keep your beard looking fresh and full. All you have to do is you use a spray here. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty much it. Massage it into your beard. Again, I've done a video on where we use the water bottle, but all you have to do is substitute that water bottle for the beard mist, okay? All right, fellas, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please click the link at the bottom. Go ahead and grab your Mr. blackmensgroomingden.com, and make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up. I do truly appreciate that. Leave your comments. This is your boy B with the beard. As always, you already know, I'm out.